Welcome back friends to my YouTube channel The Himalayan Guru. Friends, we are today going to speak about DigiByte crypto, what it is, how does it work, what are the current market scenarios, and where we can take entry in this particular crypto. So today we are going to discuss in detail regarding this crypto. But before that, if you are new to my channel, please do like, share and subscribe my video, and also share this video among all your friends and colleagues. So friends, let's start with the topic, which is DigiByte. DigiByte is a software designed to compete against major cryptocurrencies such as XRP and Litecoin by prioritizing cybersecurity and scalability. Its platform boasts additional features enabling users to issue assets, launch applications, and use digital identities. So DigiByte is a rapidly growing open source blockchain. So remember it, this is an open source blockchain created in the late 2013 and released in early 2014. So after 7 years of forward thinking and development, DigiByte has become one of the safest, fastest, longest and most decentralized UTXO blockchain in existence. Again, DigiByte is a decentralized international blockchain that is publicly available, which means this is not a private crypto. The native cryptocurrency that is utilized on the DigiByte blockchain is known as DGB, which means these DigiBytes are digital assets that are immutable and cannot be destroyed. This makes it a perfect to store and protect objects of value like digital data, currency, etc. Needless to mention, any transaction that take place on the DigiByte blockchain remains on the blockchain forever. So owing to its functionalities, high security and superior technology, DigiByte can be considered to be an advanced version of Bitcoin. Yes, you have heard it right. We can consider it as an advanced version of Bitcoin. The cryptocurrency has been around the block for more than 4 years now, the time that has been spent on extensive research and development of its blockchain technology. It is also the world's longest blockchain with more than 6 million blocks and still counting. To begin with, the DigiByte blockchain is globally decentralized and is spread across more than 2 lakh servers. It comprises of 3 layers, namely core protocol layer, digital asset or which is public ledger layer, and third is application layer. Friends, the reason to buy DigiByte is clear from these main key points. First is DigiByte is a cryptocurrency that focuses on speed and security. Second, this crypto uniquely uses 5 algorithms for its security, something no other blockchain does. Third, DigiByte is a community-driven project that has a devoted following. This will ensure support for the projects for years to come. Now, many investors have been told that they can have it good, cheap or fast, but they can only pick 2. This is not the case with DigiByte. DigiByte is a unique 3-layer cryptocurrency that is poised to make solid gains in the market over time because of its unique dedication to security. It has also the impressive ability to support digital assets like decentralized application, which is also called as DApps, and smart contracts. So DigiByte has flown under the radars for years, and from a long-term perspective, these are just the kind of coins to look at. Now I'm gonna explain you why DigiByte is so important in today's era. DigiByte is built for speed, which means to really understand why DigiByte is such a useful coin, it is necessary to understand Bitcoin, which is BTC. Fundamentally, Bitcoin is not scalable, at least not to the degree other cryptocurrencies are. BTC has a transaction limit of 7 transactions per second. This makes it impossible to scale up to the level of Visa, for instance, which can process 56,000 transactions per second. Wherever DigiByte has a chance in this space. It can process 560 transactions per second, which is incredibly fast. Even Ethereum can only handle 13 transactions per second. So why does all this matter? Because DigiByte can scale, which gives it room to grow. Ethereum, which has a much larger network, has been stifled in recent time by the limitations of its network and its high gas fees. This is fundamentally because it cannot process enough transactions per second. So DigiByte has a solution for this, and this is also cost effective and quick. This is a great news for investors looking for a crypto with a bright future. Second, DigiByte is secure because it uses proof of work, which is also called as POW, consensus mechanism, to verify its blockchain like Bitcoin and Ethereum do. The difference is that DigiByte use 5 different algorithms to secure its network. This creates an incredibly secure and decentralized blockchain. It would be nearly impossible to take over 51% of the hash rate of the DigiByte network and create a double spend attack, which happened to Ethereum Classic 3 times in August 2020, crippling the price of the coin. DigiByte does not have this vulnerability. Whereas DigiByte is uniquely posed in the world of work blockchain with the most secure network available. This gives the coin resilience and is more great news for investors looking for long-term hold in the crypto world. Third, DigiByte is a community-driven project. DigiByte was never funded by an initial coin offering or a significant amount of pre-mined coin. It doesn't have a parent company or CEO. Rather, DigiByte is a volunteer and community-driven. What does this mean? This means DigiByte is truly decentralized. No one can own it. DigiByte community-driven roots also leads to transparency. This is great news for investors because in the world of crypto, it is so common for the true intention of developers to be masked. And DigiByte is an innovative and secure coin in the cryptocurrency space that may provide investors with an above average long-term investment. See the tokenomics of this coin, which is DigiByte, DGB also called as. The rank in this, the total market is 146. Market cap of last 24 hours is 517.39 million. Volume in the 24 hours is 14.45 million. This is the live chart from since inception of this particular DGB coin. You can see the all-time high which was created on 2nd of May 2021, which was 0.181479, and briefly we'll look it later on. All-time high was 0.157563, which was on 2nd of May 2021. This is the live chart of DGB coin when it had achieved its ATH on May 2021. Since then, it hasn't been done that much well in terms of crypto market trading. Now, those who have already taken an entry on the ATH, which I have marked here, it's in the very bad state for them because they have already in loss. What to do in this period? So my advice, please hold on your coin and wait for it to achieve its next ATH, which it will certainly achieve in the coming time, or in months or a year to be precise. So friends, let's discuss how we can take entry and what are the points we can choose and take an appropriate entry for this particular coin. WazirX, if we check in Indian rupees, it's 2.75 is the market price which is being reflected on their official website WazirX portal, and on USDT it is showing as 0.03503. So for those who are seeking to take an entry in this particular coin, I advise them to take an entry on this particular level, which is in the current scenario as I am recording this video. So you can take entry on this particular level because it does have a supporting level below that. But I do believe that if you wanted to take an entry below this particular region, then you have to wait for like a week or so. Then you can assume it to be like come here, and then you can take entry on this particular level, which is 0.02986, or above that, which is somewhere around 0.03499, which is the current scenario of this particular coin. While taking an entry in this particular coin, you need to be very cautious because in the current scenario it is not doing that much well, but it does not also mean that it will not do well in the future as well. And it will certainly do well because of its unique 3 features which I have just described you in the earlier. This will certainly give you a good amount of profit in the coming long run period, which I am saying to be like next 6 months or a year. If you want to invest in this particular coin, this is the best time because market is already been dragged to the point few months back. So now this is the best time for you to take entry in this particular coin, and when you add this particular coin in your crypto portfolio, so please make sure that you hold it for a like long duration. Expecting a returns in an overnight or expecting a huge sum of profit in a day or in a week is not feasible in any circumstances. You need to get that patience level and you need to hold it for a long term. Otherwise, surviving in crypto is very difficult for you, because those who have a dream of like achieving something in a very short span of time is not feasible in the current market scenario, where most of the market is in red, and also BTC is staggering. BTC is also fluctuating, not stable from the last few weeks. So it's really important for you guys to understand the reality of a crypto market, that you need to hold all your tokens and coins which are there in your crypto portfolio. because if you wanted to have a good taste of profit in the coming time, you need to hold these assets in your crypto portfolio. Please consult with your financial advisor before investing your hard-earned money into crypto trading. Friends, although this coin has multiple resistance level, but clearing those resistance level will certainly take a good amount of time. Although this coin is fundamentally strong, it has that genuine use case, and the team is working to achieve those target in a given point of time. This coin will certainly give you a good profit in the coming years. As I've already told you in the initial start of this video, that this is a community driven project. So understand this: once a project is community driven, that means this project is certainly going to perform very well in the coming time. Second, it's very secure. Very important. It's secure. That's the reason it will certainly perform well. And third is that it is scalable. It has that fine transaction speed which is required for a crypto coin to perform. Short term, I won't advise you to do trading on this particular aspect, because the whole crypto market is in red. The market is staggering, market is fluctuating very heavily. So there's a reason, if you want to invest in a good coin, this is one of the best coin you can invest right in now. So friend, this was from my end regarding today's video on DGB coin. I hope you have liked the video. If you like the video, please do like, share, subscribe my channel, and thanks for your support. Bye.